The idea of the group science project was to examine how climate changes through one day, and we had lots of small groups that came out every 15 minutes to make sure that we had a continuous set of records throughout the whole day.
Water temperature, ground temperature, air temperature, humidity, clouds, wind speed, wind direction, sunlight and rainfall.
Wind speed?
Okay. You hold it that way, like that?
Face the wind with that, because the wind's coming that way. That's it, perfect. Meters per second, please.
0.8.
Nice, calm day. Use this one for air. Most of us are so insulated in our buildings and our schools and our homes that we really have no idea how the weather changes over a 24-hour period. For the ground temperature, okay? It's a lux meter, which measures sunlight. So that's north.
Wind is coming from west.
West. So you put it on your nose, put the bottom point on that mountain on the right, you count the number of squares that have cloud in. Okay. And that's the percentage of cloud cover, because there's 100 squares. And this is not an exact science. One of the problems, of course, of recording temperature is that you actually know how cold it is. And the temperatures were between -2 and 4 degrees during the day. So, of course, we found lots of ways of actually keeping warm. At the same time as we were taking data every 15 minutes, we took a photograph so we could compare our measurements with the actual scene that was changing every 15 minutes. And as you can see here, the cloud cover and the cloud cover that we measured matched beautifully. You can also see the ice lens that Dan was carving slowly emerging in the background.
The climate data was drawn on the dock with chalk and rope. So we plotted the sunlight and the temperature of the air over a 12-hour period, I think. And it looks really cool, so you can see the graph of what the kids recorded. It's really nice. That's art and science meshed together at its best.
This, of course, is one of those experiments that anybody can do. You can measure temperature, sunlight and all the others in your back garden, at your school or out on fieldwork. It took simple measurements of climate, as scientists have been doing for over 200 years. And that's why we understand that climate has been changing and we have global warming.